I am Sachin, co-founder and CEO of AgroSahas International. AgroSahas is organic focus agri-tech company currently working with 10,000 farmers in Uganda. We started around 3.5 to 4 years back as a very traditional company. We joined YSAU program from High Collab. We got tremendous opportunities in terms of networking, collaboration, and we got tremendous support in terms of mentorship offered by YSAU faculties and the team members. Uh, we have seen that we have grown from our mindset of just thinking about Uganda versus right now we are thinking of expanding into Tanzania and Kenya as a product, as well as improving our technology for which YSAU has tremendously helped us. We had also part of the contingent going to Korea as well as GITEX event in Morocco. There we met with a lot of investors who were helping us to kind of realize our potential also, and we have got the understanding about how big the scenario of funding can be and what kind of potential we can have in terms of growing ourselves. We have also received the funding from High Collab, which we are going to use to improve our agro-processing capabilities, as well as we are working on our technology ecosystem. We are very thankful and grateful to YSAU High Collab ITC team for providing us this opportunity to grow ourselves as well as making an impact into Ugandan ecosystem. Thank you.